Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muskan Choudhary. Today's videos I'm going to show you how I create this look, and I'm going to use all the product from one brand, which is Inside Cosmetics. It is a full face Inside Cosmetic look. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to use Inside Cosmetic 3-in-1 long lasting primer. Then I'm using an Inside Cosmetic Ultra Thin Second Skin Longwear Foundation in the shade Golden Honey. And apply it all over my face, and I'm just blending all this using the Beauty Blender. Now I'm using Inside Cosmetics 2X Cover Master Concealer in the shade 03 Golden Sand. And I'm using it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, etc. and blending it all this. Now to set all the base, I'm using this Inside Cosmetics Mineralized Pressed Powder in the shade Beige Matte. Now for contouring, I'm using Dew Stick Concealer Contour Plus Highlighter in the shade 01 and contour my cheekbone. Now for my eyes, I'm using 2X Cover Master Concealer. I'm taking the brown shade and apply it all over my eyelids and blend it. Now for eyeliner, I'm using Liner Express Eye Pen Matte Black. Now for kajal, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic Intense Gold Kajal. Taking the Inside Cosmetics mascara and apply it upper as well as my lower lashes. Now for blush, I'm using Inside Cosmetic Mega Last Crayon Lipstick in the shade Taming and apply it on my cheeks. Now for highlighter, I'm using Dew Stick Concealer Contour Plus Highlighter in the shade 01 Caramel and apply it on my high points of my face. For my lips, I'm using the Inside Cosmetic Mega Last Crayon Lipstick in the shade Taming Anger. Now fixing all of this with the Inside Cosmetic Makeup Fixer Spray. Here's the final look, guys. So that is for the video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next time. Bye bye, take care.